Hi, my name's Michael Cook and I have the honor to be the editor of the Toronto Star, and today I have a rare day off because the Dalai Lama is in town. And I asked His Holiness if he would like to be the guest editor of the Star, and he said yes. So he has edited the Sunday Star. Take a look.
The Nirvana is a very much Buddhist concept. I see two kinds of nirvana. One, nirvana for common people or humanity. One, nirvana, individual. So, usually you see, we refer nirvana individual. My nirvana is whole world becoming more peaceful, more compassionate, less problem. That's world nirvana. I always feel like that. So this is, I think, better.
Yes. More choices.
Oh, this is the stage again.
This is also good.
It's interesting.
Sudan, Palestine, Iraq, Colombia, Afghanistan, Somalia, Uganda, Congo. Still, I think this is better now. Now? This is also very good. This is also nice. This is also nice. Homeland. I think this is better.
Okay. The last one. Dalai Lama, editor for a day.
I think this is better. Now finalize.
Yeah.
This one.
Thank you.
Very nice.
That is an excellent choice.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Oh, great
Thank you.
pleasure.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
So this will present you to all of you.